Hey everyone! So today we're diving into something incredibly useful for designers, writers, and visual storytellers alike. How to create stunning visual mood boards using Midjourney. Whether you're planning a photo shoot, developing a brand, or writing a fantasy novel, a visual mood board is a game changer for setting the tone and direction of your work. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your creative journey. Let's jump right in. So, first off, looks like we need to define the emotional tone and vibe we're aiming for. So, is it cozy and nostalgic, futuristic or sterile, wild and rebellious? Picking a theme and emotional anchor early on sets the foundation for everything else. So, like this one, the theme is red, right over here. This one, cozy, coffee, beige. This one, minimalistic, very sleek, and these kinds of themes, that is. So here's a prompt. Let's say we could try right here. Okay, so visual mood board collage. So we could go with an autumn afternoon theme, golden hour lighting, sunlight filtering through amber and red maple trees. And yep, anything that is autumn afternoon right here. And yep, you can see here with all the details. So now let's set up this one. Let's go with the square. We could go raw. All right. And we go fast. And then let's send this over right about now. Okay. The prompt is already dropped right here. So you should see how this would match up on the rendered images to our prompt. And wow, look at that. Do you see it? Hold on. Yeah, okay. It's starting to clear up. Right. See, look at that. It's everything that we've been expecting. Autumn evening. Yes, autumn. Not autumn evening. Autumn afternoon. See the coffees, the dry leaves. Go. The palette is very consistent with each of these images. Look at that. And another one right here. Look at those cozy little touches like the blankets. All right. The textures, even. Oh, they all add up beautifully. So, this kind of image really set the emotional tone for an entire mood board. Pretty impressive, I must say. Look at that. So, for visual consistency, this means using recurring elements like color palettes, materials, lighting styles, or even specific motifs. Now, these make your mood board feel intentional, not really random though. So, here is a prompt that we can build from right here. All right, so let's go for an interior design mood board collage, Scandinavian, you have minimalistic theme. All right, mate white, mid-century, beige, and taupe. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to pronounce that. My apologies for that. Natural ambient light. Sorry about that. Again, calming and airy mood, consistent neutral color palette, of course. Material swatches. Okay, furniture cutouts. Okay, light-filled room examples. All right, and you can set this in. I'll keep it with the raw mode, current version. Let's go with 5:6 aspect ratio. Let's go with fast. All right. And then let's enter this prompt for Midjourney to expand the tone right here. All right. Let's wait for a while and we'll see the vibe, which is neutral. Hit clean. All right. Okay. I think we're seeing the collage. Yep. Look at it right here. See? Look at that. How calm and intentional it feels. Wood tones, diffused lighting, the layout of swatches. Another one right here, the furnishings. It really all fits beautifully into this cohesive board right here. Here's another one. Yes, I love this one. And lastly, yep, this looks really good. Would you look at that? So each of these images really would be a perfect companion to the first one, even though the first one, like, darker in tone, but they have the same vibe. As you can see, look at that. Anyways, before we continue, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's anchor our mood boards to like a character or a narrative. So this is especially helpful for, let's say, a branding, storytelling, or even conceptualizing a scene. Just think about like how a person might interact with your space or design. So for this, let's go with our mood board fantasy narrative right here. Young witch, perhaps, has candlelit ancient library, worn stone walls, and the palette is mostly purple and green. Also, stained glass windows, of course, and candle glow, magical object references, setting snapshots, parchment overlays. It has like torn notebook paper edges here and there, with vintage textures. And yep, here it is. Then we could go here. We could go back to square, and we could go raw. Then same thing. All right. Let's send this prompt over to Midjourney. There we go. Alrighty. And now the process has started with this. Don't worry, as you can see, it'll be a bit quicker than you'd expect. And then, voila. Here it is. And let's take a look at the rendered images right here. See the first one. Okay, this is quite incredible with this one. Stained glass right here. All right. Floating books. And there's candles. Sorcery magic. There we go. Yep. Another one right here. As you'll see, taking a look with every other images right here, it feels like, well, it's like bringing narrative with this mood board right here. Okay, this one is more impressive. Like out of all the rendered images right here, as you can see right here, the ripped pages, like what do you mean, like scrapbook collage that is, and one here, picture, and bringing more settings in with the magical theme. Yeah, it's actually really good, and these assembling overall really brings that narrative element and how it could anchor with the character and the world itself. And yeah, pretty impressive, I must say. And that's how you can use Midjourney to craft powerful yet emotionally driven mood boards that align with your vision. There we go. And thanks for watching, everybody. And until then, see you all in the next one. Bye.